In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a tree map chart in Google Sheets. It's a wonderful tool to visualize hierarchical data using nested rectangles of varying sizes, making it pretty handy for representing proportions within a dataset effectively. So let's get started right away. First things first, you'll want to have your data set up properly in Google Sheets. Make sure that your data is arranged in a way that highlights what you want to show. Typically, you'll have categories or groups laid out in one column and the corresponding values in the column next to it. Accuracy in data placement is crucial here, as it determines how effectively your tree map represents the information. Once your data is ready, open up your Google Sheets document. Select the range of data that you wish to include in your tree map. You can do this by clicking and dragging across your data cells. The highlighted range should cover both categories and their numeric data. Next, head over to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose the Chart option. This will prompt Google Sheets to automatically insert a chart. However, it may not initially appear as a tree map. It often defaults to another chart type, like a bar chart. But don't worry, this is an easy fix. A chart editor panel should appear on the right side of your screen. Within this panel, you'll notice a section labeled Chart Type. Click on this section, which will present you with a variety of chart options. Scroll through these options, or simply type Tree Map in the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you find the Tree Map icon, select it. Doing so will immediately transform your chart into a tree map based on the data range you specified earlier. The next step involves customizing your tree map to ensure it displays the hierarchy and size distinctions as you intend. The chart editor gives you flexibility here with options like changing colors or adjusting the appearance to better visualize different categories. Feel free to play around with these settings. You'll find an option for Customize within the chart editor. You can use this to tweak colors, label displays, and other features to tailor your chart to your needs. Lastly, always review your chart to make sure everything aligns with your expectations. Check that all data is representing accurately and that your categories are distinctly separated within their colored segments. Once satisfied, you might want to give your chart a title. This helps anyone viewing the chart to quickly understand what it's about.